Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Jeffy and this is my best friend Android the Chihuahua. Today we're going to be sharing with you guys how we made these super cool earrings from real wings. I'm not sure exactly what kind of bug they are wings from. My outside cats left them on my porch a couple days ago and I just felt like we had to turn them into something cool. To prepare your wings, you're going to want to make sure that they are completely dried out. Luckily, mine were sitting on the porch in the sun an entire day, so they are extra crisp. To begin, you're going to use some of these little jump rings and attach them using some UV resin to the tippy top of those little wings. The wings themselves are very delicate, and this is just going to give us a way to pick them up while we continue to cover the entire wing in resin. I wanted to make these pretty hardy, so I went ahead and put about 2 layers of resin on each side of these guys. I wanted to add a little bit more pizzazz to these, so I grabbed one of my favorite glitters ever. This one is Martha Stewart. I love Martha Stewart anything. I put some in a little cup and then I just mixed some UV resin with it so I could paint it on. This is what the wings looked like before our glitter layer. It's decently thick, I would say medium size. I didn't want to make the earrings too heavy, but I also did not want them to break. I only put the glitter layer on one side because I really wanted us to be able to see those stunning black lines that are on there, and the glitter kind of muddled them, so one side seemed to be enough for me. To assemble our earrings, I picked out some beads that kind of matched. They turned out absolutely beautiful. I wish I was able to show more detail on this. I just don't think that this camera is doing the earrings justice. I think my favorite part has to be all of those little fine black lines that you can kind of see through between. Animals are really remarkable creatures. I'm a little grossed out to be wearing dead animal on my ears, but I don't know. I also feel like it was a gift from my outside kitties and I could not let it go to waste. The life of this bug will be forever honored through these earrings, and he will make a lot more joy in the world, and that is a great thing. Thank you guys so much for joining us for this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. It really does wonders for our channel, and we appreciate every single one of you guys being here with us today. Have a good night. Bye.